Hi all, this is Raj from the Mattress Expert India. Today here I am at Durfi Sleep Experience Center in Bangalore doing video review for the Durfi Pocket Spring Cotton Candy Memory Foam Mattress. The mattress is displayed in front of me. You can see how the mattress fabric is look like from outside. So the side view you can see there are like a dual color on the combination. So this one I can say 400 GSM knitted antibacterial fabric on the top. Then I can say it's a gray color. Again this one also 400 GSM knitted fabric. And the bottom closure as per the design it will comes with the anti-skid 100% organic cotton. If I can speak about the core of the product, the internal cross section I have in this miniature. I could see here this one comes with the very first layer, it's a cotton candy memory foam. Second layer, it's a comfort layer. Also edges protected by the casing, some foam casing. Then you can see here, it's an inner pocket spring. Per square feet as per the company, they have mentioned they are providing either 20 or 21 springs. Also, if I can speak about the product build quality, the build quality is like a really solid and it looks really rich and premium. Comfort level point of view, this mattress comes with a medium soft comfort level. Also companies are providing along with this mattress 10 years warranty on the manufacturing defect. Also if you want to experience or like try the product, you can visit their experience center at Ramurthy Nagar before buying the mattress. Also if you are not a Bangalorean or like outsider, you can check the product related information on their website at Durfi.com. If I can speak about the price point, the product is affordable compared with the well-known brands. Well-known brands, they have the middlemen's like a retailer, dealer, but Durfi directly deal with the consumer. That is the reason all the middleman commissions, everything, it will be directly benefited to the end user. So if you have any further doubts or like queries, you can reach to their call center number, or you can check the product related information on the Durfi.com. Signing off.